Buying the best high-speed blender can mean the difference between getting smooth shakes every time and constantly battling with unmixed lumps and chunks. With that in mind, I've spent the last few days digging into the world of high-speed blenders so that I can find the best quality products possible for viewers of the Kitchen Hacks YouTube channel. As always, make sure to click the links at the top of the description to see the latest prices. Now, let's get into the top 5 high-performance blenders. With a powerful 1,400 watt motor and an extra large 72-ounce pitcher, the Ninja BN 701 Professional Plus blender is a solid blending option perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks, and it's really easy to use. The Ninja Professional Plus blender brings a modern look and enhanced power to your kitchen. With its 1,400 peak watts, this blender tackles ice, fruits, and even hard vegetables effortlessly. The total crushing blades work efficiently for those perfect smoothies or frozen drinks, and I can really taste the difference in my creations. Like a handy kitchen assistant, the 3 preset Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, offering intuitive settings for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. This makes it easy to achieve consistent results without manual adjustments, which is ideal when convenience is at the top of your list. Also, thanks to its large 72-ounce pitcher, you can prepare sizable smoothie batches with this high-watt blender, which is great for family servings. Though it excels in performance, the Ninja Professional Plus does have a few drawbacks. This large capacity blender can be rather noisy due to its powerful motor, which might be a concern for those seeking quieter kitchen appliances. Also, its somewhat bulky design can take up significant counter space, but I think we can all agree that solid and durable is better than small and flimsy. Checking in at number 4 is the popular Cleanblend commercial blender, which is just about the strongest blender that you can get without spending a small fortune. With an 1,800 watt motor and a 5-year warranty, this blender is a powerhouse ideal for anyone who needs a reliable, high-performance blender for both personal and commercial use. The Cleanblend commercial blender boasts an 1,800 watt motor, making it one of the most powerful blenders on the market. This level of power ensures that it can handle everything from crushing ice to blending hot soups, making it highly versatile. Unlike with cheaper models, you won't have to worry about any unblended bits in your smoothies or sauces with this strong blender, thanks to its superior performance. Its multi-use capability is another compelling feature. Whether you're grinding, chopping, heating, or pureeing, this blender can replace several other kitchen gadgets, making it a real space saver, and you'll get a ton of use out of it, from making margaritas to whipping up your favorite sauces. So, not only is the Cleanblend commercial one of the best high-speed blenders in terms of raw power, it's also a really high-tech blender as well. One notable thing to consider is its size. With a 64-ounce capacity, it's perfect for making large batches, but might be too bulky to fit under some kitchen cabinets. Also, because of its power, it can be a bit noisy, which might be distracting if you'd like to maintain a peaceful kitchen at all times. But if you want a strong blender that gets the job done, the Cleanblend commercial blender should be a serious contender on your best high-powered blender shopping list. Up next is the Blendtec Total Blender Classic, which earns the 3rd spot on my best high-power blender list, thanks to its pre-programmed blending cycles, effortless cleaning, and, of course, its powerful blades and motor. If you're after a powerful blender that cuts down on both meal prep and cleanup time, you'll love the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. It comes with 6 pre-programmed cycles such as smoothies, soups, and frozen treats, which alone makes it versatile for all your kitchen needs. And I really like that the illuminated LCD timer lets you know exactly how much longer your blend will take. Unlike less advanced options, the Blendtec stands out not just for its power, but for its easy cleaning. Just add some hot water and dish soap, blend for a few seconds, and you're done. It's that simple. In terms of usage, the 32-ounce blending capacity is perfect for making enough for the whole family without having to do multiple batches, which I really appreciate. Best of all, its powerful motor handles both wet and dry ingredients effortlessly, making it ideal for all types of culinary creations. With 10 speeds and over 1500 watts of blending power, you can make everything from hot soups to ice cream, all while using the same blender jar. I can really see why the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is considered the best high-powered blender by a lot of people. Now for the runner-up in my high-speed blender reviews roundup. The Vitamix 5200 blender stands out due to its powerful motor and variable speed control, making it effortless to blend even the toughest ingredients with precision. The hardened stainless steel blades contribute to its unmatched performance, delivering smooth and consistent blends every time. You won't have to worry about chunks in your smoothies anymore with the Vitamix 5200 on your countertop. What makes this blender a fan favorite is its self-cleaning feature. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, it cleans itself in under a minute, saving you time and hassle. This will make your blending experience more enjoyable and less messy. Additionally, the large 64-ounce container means you can prepare big batches, ideal for families or those who like to meal prep like myself. Also, its durability ensures that it's a lasting investment, perfect for those serious about their kitchen tools. Now, as with most high-powered blenders, you may find the noise level of this high-performance blender a bit disruptive, especially at high speeds. And while the investment is steep, the quality and performance justify the price tag in my opinion. So, what is the best high-power blender that you can buy? Well, if you're looking for the most powerful blender on the market, then I'd highly recommend checking out the Waring MX 1050 XTX blender if you can afford it, as it's the highest watt blender that I've come across. This super fast blender offers an incredibly powerful 3.5 peak HP motor, making it ideal for blending tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. Like a skilled chef, you can rely on it to deliver smooth and consistent results every time. The easy-to-clean electronic membrane keypad with high, low, off, and pulse functions adds yet more convenience to your blending tasks because there are no complicated settings, just power and ease of use. The 64-ounce BPA-free copolyester container is both durable and stackable, making it a practical choice for busy environments. And if you're concerned about noise, consider the available sound enclosure for quieter operation. Whether you're opening a smoothie bar or need a high-performance blender for your kitchen, this Waring blender is designed to crush whatever ingredients you throw at it. So, those are the best high-speed blenders that you can buy right now. Although I have my favorites, I'm happy to recommend every single one of these products if you're seeking a good high-powered blender. Again, you'll find the links to each of these high-performance blenders in the description box below. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video, you might consider giving it a like and hitting that subscribe button.